Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn some crawling animals named for kids. Before starting our lesson, please like and subscribe to our channel. So let's start. Number 1 is a snail. A snail is a small animal that has a soft body and is often found in gardens. Snails move very slowly and they leave a trail of slime behind them as they crawl. Number 2 is a worm. A worm is a long, thin, slimy animal that lives in the soil. Some worms are used as food in some countries, but most people think they are gross. Number 3 is a caterpillar. A caterpillar is the larva or young stage of a butterfly or a moth. They have a round body with many legs and they often crawl on leaves and stems of plants. Number 4 is a centipede. A centipede is a long, flat, many-legged creature that lives in damp places. They are usually brown or black, and they can be very fast when they crawl. Number 5 is a millipede. A millipede is a long, cylindrical, many-legged creature that lives in the soil. They are usually brown or black, and they curl up into a ball when they feel threatened. No. 6 is a crab. A crab is a hard-shelled animal that lives in the ocean. They have 10 legs and they move sideways as they crawl. Number 7 is a spider. A spider is a creepy, crawly animal that has 8 legs and 2 body parts. They live in many parts of the world and they often build webs to catch their food. No. 8 is an insect. An insect is a small animal with 6 legs and 3 body parts. There are many different types of insects in the world, including beetles, ants, and butterflies. Number 9 is a beetle. A beetle is a type of insect with a hard shell on its back. They come in many different shapes and sizes, and they can be found all over the world. Number 10 is an ant. An ant is a small insect that lives in colonies with other ants. They are known for their hard work, and they often carry food back to their nest. Number 11 is a butterfly. A butterfly is a beautiful insect with wings that are often brightly colored. They are known for their ability to fly, and they are often seen in gardens. Number 12 is a mosquito. A mosquito is a small flying insect that sucks blood from humans and animals. They are known for their painful bites, and they can spread diseases. Number 13 is a lizard. A lizard is a type of reptile that has scales and can live in many different habitats. They are known for their ability to change color, and some can even lose their tails to escape predators. Number 14 is a snake. A snake is a long, scaly, legless reptile. They are known for their ability to slither, and some species can be very poisonous. Number 15 is an elephant. An elephant is a large mammal with a trunk and tusks. They are known for their intelligence and their ability to work together in groups. That's all for today. Please comment down your favorite animal, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.